Hi guys, I've only got about 5 minutes right now, but I wanted to pop on here real quick, make you a really short video just about this email that I got from YouTube that I'm pretty excited about. So in short, they are about to just blow up everyone's audiences, and they're going to do it using AI. Not in the way you might think though, they're not gonna have robots watching our videos or anything like that. They're gonna be using AI to dub every new video that gets uploaded to YouTube. So in short, what this means is that they are going to be translating every video that gets uploaded, and not just like translating the captions, but actually translating the audio. Now, I don't know yet whether they are going to be using AI also to actually change the visuals on the video so it looks like the person's mouth is speaking in these other languages. They will, I'm sure, get there at some point, but I know for a fact that they are going to be translating the audio at least. I'll just read you from the email. It says they're going to be translating all English videos into Spanish, Portuguese, German, French, Italian, Hindi, Indonesian, and Japanese, and vice versa. So videos in all of those languages will also be translated into English. Now, it's pretty cool that we are now going to be able to much more easily watch videos in all of these other languages from all these different countries, but this is especially cool for people who speak those languages because it is going to massively expand their audiences to be able to reach the English-speaking world, because there are just so many fewer people that speak each of those other languages that if they want to make videos in their native language, then in the past this has really limited their audience size. But now it's just going to be so much bigger for them, which is going to open up so many new opportunities, potentially things like revenue on YouTube and other monetization features, and just so many other things as well to be able to reach more people. So it says in the email that no action is needed. They're just going to start doing this to every new video that gets uploaded, unless you go in your channel and you turn it off. If for some reason you don't want your videos translated into these other languages, you don't want that dubbing feature, you can go in and turn it off channel-wide, or I believe also for specific videos. Now, one thing that's not changing though is the algorithm. YouTube really has dialed in their algorithm so well at this point. It's working really well for them. And so the rules of the game when it comes to how to win on YouTube are definitely not changing. If you want to learn the basics of how to work with the algorithm so you can grow your channel as quickly as possible, then check out this link right here. I'll also include it down below in the comments section. It's the link to a free 1-hour masterclass that I recorded for you to teach you all the basics of how the algorithm works and how you can work with it to grow your channel to 1,000 subscribers or get your next 1,000 subscribers in just 3 months. And that really is possible when you learn how to work with the algorithm. So make sure you check that out if you haven't already. All right, well, that's it for today, guys. Just a quick little video for you to tell you about this cool new feature that YouTube is rolling out. I hope that you enjoyed this, found it interesting. I'll be back again next week with a longer video for you all. Until then, hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you soon.